This is lesson 6-1, creating a worksheet. This is found on page 152 of your book. Let's get started here. Oops. Um, in this section, we are creating a worksheet. We're preparing the heading of a worksheet first. Pretty easy, just like the other things that we create. The company name will go on top, so we're working with Techno Consulting. Then the name of the report. We are preparing a worksheet, so we'll just write worksheet on that second line. And then the date of the report. One thing that you need to know of for the date is it needs to be for the month ended, okay? Or if you did it at the end of a fiscal year fiscal period, it would be for year ended and then the date, okay? So it's not just the date, it's for the month ended or for the year ended, okay? Preparing a trial balance on a worksheet, we are going to write the general ledger account titles. Okay, so that would be right here. So you'll go ahead and write all of those down just like they are given to you. Okay. When you are done with that, you'll write the general ledger debit account balances and then write the credit balances. So you'll be looking and to see what the balance is for cash, for petty cash. Do all of your debits first, then do all of your credits. Okay. Then it says rule a single line across the two trial balance columns. All that means is if you were writing this on paper, you would have a single line on top and a double line on bottom. And that's something that, you know, when I took accounting, you really had to know, and that could show you where your totals were when it was double lined at the bottom. When we do this online, it just shows up like that. Okay, it already does that for you. You don't have to know that. But that single line across the bottom and then the double line at the very bottom, that might be a quiz question or a question like in your true false multiple choice portion of your test. So you still need to know that information. So don't just skip right over that and think, well, since it's on the computer, I don't need to know that. Okay. Then you're going to add up both the trial balance debit and credit columns. So you'll add all these numbers. These should match, right? Because your debits and your credits always equal. Okay. You write each column total below the single line and then rule double lines across the bottom. Okay. Fiscal period is that year-long period. A worksheet is what we just did, and then the trial balance is the portion of the worksheet that we just completed.